Good morning. Just making another small video on two possible strategies, which are weekly strategies, keeping in mind that Nifty has been very volatile in the last couple of months. So instead of probably looking at monthly positional strategies, just thought of making a small video on weekly directional strategies. Now, this would be based on what is your view, whether you are bullish or bearish. So I'll show you both of them. And in these strategies, the good part is the higher side risk is generally limited to 20-25 points, or at the max maybe 30 points depending upon how you deploy it. The profit possibility runs into say about 100 to 150 points per lot. So what we have to really do in this strategy is to see currently Nifty is somewhere around 14,963. Assuming you are bearish on Nifty and you want to take your chances and make money with limited risk, what you can really do is buy 14,900 two lots, sell 14,800 three lots, and buy 14,600 one lot. Now doing this, probably the margin requirement is approximately rupees 70 or 75k. I'm not too very sure, but that should be the range. The loss, as I said, should be not beyond 25 to 30 points. Profit could be 150 to 160 points. And I'll show you how the calculation works. So I will have to take you to Vol Hedge and show you the calculations. I've already entered these uh, strikes and the number of lots to be sold and bought. So let me just take you there. So here on your screen, you see there are some entries already available. I'm just moving to the put side strategy. Now what I've done here is I've made entries for the weekly trade to be done. 14,900 put. I have bought two lots. I paid this much. Sold three lots of 14,800. And you see 14,600, one lot I have purchased. Now, interestingly, the delta of this strategy is -3, which means if the market goes down by 1 rupee or goes up by 1 rupee, my position will change with this delta. I will continue to get 155 rupees and maybe the next day 209 rupees as theta. This is a Vega negative strategy, so preferably this should be done when IVs are high. Generally, I prefer to do these kind of trades when IVs are high, particularly on Monday. From there are just 3 days to hold the trade. So I will show you the calculations and the possible scenarios and how much profit or how much loss this strategy can cause to you, what levels you can get the maximum profit. So we see on this PNL sheet at any levels, if the market goes down, my maximum risk is 1620. And if it goes up to whatever levels, my maximum risk is 1620. So this is less than 20 points, or maybe a little bit more than 20 points. But see, if the market really drops by one odd percent, which is my expected levels, I can make somewhere around say 4,000 to 10,000 depending upon where the expiry happens. Now this is a limited risk and limited profit possibility when we do our trade on the put side. This is to be deployed if your view is negative. Now let me take you back to the Excel sheet and show you, assuming you are bullish, at the same expiry, some of us probably had a bullish view. So what we could have done is we could have bought 15,000 2 lots, buy, sell 15,100, 3 lots, and cover it up by 15,300 by buying 1 lot. So this is something opposite to what we did in put. I'll just show you how this works and what are the calculations for that. Let me take you back. So on the call side, when we put this strategy, we see the delta is +2 and theta is much higher than the put side trade we did. Here, what I've done is I've purchased two calls at 15,000, sold 3 call at 15,100, and covered it up with 15,300 one lot. Now, in this strategy, I've probably deployed 73,000 rupees as my margin. This may be a little bit here there. Now let us see what is the probable PNL on the expiry day, or maybe even before the expiry. So let's see the calculations. Now the PNL indicates here a higher side of risk of 1830 rupees wherever the market may drop, or for that matter wherever the market may rise. So my risk is limited. Now if we see, even on the expiry day prior to 12, I am safe till almost 15,359. I would anyways make very good profits if the market closes anywhere between 15,100 to 200. Good amount of profit would come. If we actually see the range in terms of safety, on day one, my safety range is 15,399 and 14,859, though it gets little lower on the next day and further lower on the expiry day. But what we can see is a very good range of profit here on expiry if market expires in this range. So these two strategies are limited risk and limited profit, but the risk reward ratio is really nice. These kind of strategies can be considered in the current situations when Nifty moves up and down quite fast, and we don't want to run a unlimited risk strategy. I hope you will find this useful. Thank you very much.